Welcome to Coding and Programming. This is a short presentation that will focus on this topic. Be sure to pay attention as the first activity is a quiz based on this presentation. It is often misconceived that coding and programming is an extremely difficult process that only mathematicians and scientists are capable of achieving. However, this is not the case. This presentation will explore what coding and programming is and how it can be implemented into classrooms within modern society.
It is important for children to learn to write because writing is used in our everyday lives. Technology is becoming more a part of our everyday lives now, so learning to code should be becoming just as important as learning to write. Coding can, in a sense, be seen as an extension of writing. It is important to be able to code so that you can create things such as games, animations, simulations, as well as learning strategies for problem solving, designing projects, and communicating. Coding and programming is not just digital. Letters, numbers, symbols, words are all used within code systems to help explain, represent, or identify something. Instructions on how to make something involves coding. You follow the code, such as the instructions, in order to create an object, which can be seen as the program. In past years, there has been a massive surge of interest in learning to code, focusing especially on career opportunities. It is easy to understand why. The number of jobs for programmers and computer scientists is growing rapidly, with demand far outpacing supply. Apart from career opportunities, the skills you can gain from learning to code can be used for everyone, regardless of age, interests, or occupation. There are many programs and websites these days that can help you learn to code. People of all ages can access these and do what everyone thinks only computer geniuses can do. These websites include Scratch, Tinker, and Codecademy. They make coding interactive and fun for everyone to learn. Young people these days all need to possess the skills of communication, collaboration, and content creation around digital technologies, as it is such a big part of society. Digital making is a big part of coding and programming. However, people think that digital making is just the program that makes the computers work. It's not. Digital making is involved within websites, apps, games, 3D animations, and even the physical objects driven by microcontrollers.
During the 1990s, schools focused on how best to surf the web, rather than how to investigate and understand how computers, their programs, and the web works. However, in a society where youth are ever more becoming digitally based, the need for teaching coding and programming has come about. This movement is a new and exciting way to engage students through directly linking to their interests. Teaching coding and programming within classrooms creates endless benefits for students. This process introduces students to solving problems, designing applications, and making connections online. More importantly, teaching coding and programming will introduce students to computational thinking, which is a significant skill to possess in a world becoming ever more digital. Computational thinking is a way of solving problems, designing systems, and understanding human behavior that draws on concepts fundamental to computer science. For students, the process of computational thinking provides the means to think more systematically in order to more efficiently solve all types of problems, not only those related to digital technology.